What's up, YouTube? I'm Cerebral Palsy Gamer 98. Welcome back to the channel. So I have a special type of video for you guys today. Sorry for the crappy camera quality. I'm using my webcam at the moment. So you may be wondering why I've been gone for so long and not making videos. I think the last time I made a video was, let's see here, hang on, I'm looking at my other screen, let me check. Let's see here. The last video I made was March 4th. And it is now March 18th. And you may be wondering, again, why I haven't been making videos. And that is because the main PC I have right now is starting to fail. And I mean literally fail. If you guys don't know, I have the Asus G74SX laptop. It's getting a little old. It turned 7 years old this year. Came out in January of 2012, I think. It's got a GeForce GTX 560M, 16 gigs of RAM, 2 500 gigabyte hard drives. Let's see, what else is there? But yeah, it's getting a little old. So I've decided to save up a little money, and I've started a fundraiser to help raise the money to get it replaced. And yeah, I'm gonna be getting a new PC soon, so I will be doing an unboxing on this channel as soon as I get it. I just wanted to let you know that's why I've not been making videos here lately, because my PC is literally falling down the pits. I've had a few times where it's just like random blue screen crash on me in the middle of recording, actually, and I've had to start all over from corrupted video files. But anyway, I just wanted to let you guys know why I haven't been making videos. And tell me what you guys think of this, and if you guys want to see an unboxing. I'm going with the company called Digital Storm. So if you guys could give me like any info on Digital Storm, that would be greatly appreciated. Just let me know what you guys find by putting it in the comments. Yeah. Thanks, guys. Have a good day.